In today's property home tour, we're going to show you how you're going to turn this into a new home, but on a renovation budget. We're going to break down the cost for you, so stay tuned and watch until the end. Let's go. So we're here today on Jalan Datuk Sulaiman 4, where you will notice that the road is wide and long.
There are a total of 193 two-story terrace units on this road. The average land area of the terrace homes here are 20 feet by 95 feet, with a few outlots that are wider or with extra land. But that is because Datuk Sulaiman was originally meant to be semi-Ds and bungalows. However, in the 1980s, when it was launched, there was a recession, so the developers decided to build terraces instead. What was originally 40 feet by 95 feet semi-Ds became 20 feet by 95 feet terraces.
So we're here today in a two-story terrace with a built-up of approximately 2,300 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. There are 2 types of layouts in Datuk Sulaiman area. One is the split up and the other is the flat. We're going to check out the flatline layout today. As you enter the home, you will notice that the car porch is long with a garden on the side. As you enter the home, you will immediately fall in love with the broken marble flooring. It is interesting to note that Datuk Sulaiman is the only area in Taman that has the broken marble flooring.
The rest of TTDI came in terrazzo flooring or Italian tiles.
This is an excellent choice for tropical homes because it actually brings down the temperature of the house. So just grind and polish this marble and that will set you back about 5,000 ringgit.
It'll be nice to have a cabinet display here at the entrance, but if you find that boring or you like to save on some carpentry costs, simply dress it up with a console table and mirror.
You could put a built-in cabinet here and that will cost you about 2,500. Either way, I think it works. Over here, you might want to add a TV console to dress up this wall.
For this layout, the open concept kitchen is an easy fix. Most recent homeowners have broken down this wall to create a seamless flow from the living to the dining and the kitchen. So you could design your dining and kitchen space just like this. The hacking of walls, 1,500. New kitchen cabinets plus island, 30,000. New kitchen flooring at 15 ringgit per square foot, 4,500.
For all of its benefits, open concept living doesn't always work well. There are several reasons for this, and sometimes the absence of walls can make for very noisy households. We all need space for ourselves from time to time, and it's not always ideal to shut ourselves away from it.
So I would keep this wall, but enclose this space as it's the powder room zone and create a door here to open up to your own backyard terrace. You'll find that these are easy designs that won't cost you much. Flooring, awning, furnishing. New bathroom with new flooring and waterproofing, 8,000. New awning, 13,000. New flooring, 3,000.
And you'll appreciate this backyard idea because then the room downstairs would overlook this. Turn this into a granny room or a study that would overlook your very own backyard terrace. Break down this wall to have floor-to-ceiling windows.
New flooring for room, 2,000. New floor-to-ceiling windows, 4,000.
But hold up, let's backtrack to the living hall because you'll need to add on new windows right here at the entrance.
New windows for the living, 4,000. The total cost based on the items we'd like to do, the renovation work downstairs, is 81,000. The layout upstairs is really special. There are 3 bedrooms and a study plus a bonus airwell.
The house faces east, facing the mountains. I would make the most out of this morning sun by extending this outwards. Once the master bedroom is extended, you find that the room is enlarged. And this section right here, because it's pushed forward, you could use this as your walk-in wardrobe space. We're gonna extend the upper floor. So this means that you'll need to add concrete slab, beams, upper beams, and columns. This is going to set you back about 50,000.
Don't forget our new master bath at 10,000 with the sanitary ware, new tiles, and waterproofing. We also need new windows, which would cost about 2,880 ringgit. Perhaps you'd like to include the cost of the wall-to-ceiling wardrobes here, which would be another 8,000. So let's add that to our list. This brings us to a new total of 151,880. The bulk of the cost is the extensions, as hacking and structural beams are costly. This is the perfect spot for the family, or if you work from home. I'll modify this to a floor-to-ceiling window and retile the airwell with a raw cement finish so the study looks out into the indoor garden right here.
I think for small families with 1 or 2 children, this is perfect. The perfect space without much modification.
We could add in new windows, new flooring, and a new bathroom. Simple, economical solutions can turn the house into a home. New flooring, 15,000. Shared bathroom, 10,000. Built-in wardrobes for 2 bedrooms, 10,640. Windows for the bedrooms and the study, 12,000. Cement flooring for the airwell, 3,000. Landscaping for the airwell, 2,000.
Let's do a quick checkpoint on where we are in terms of the cost so far, with the addition of the 2-bedroom study and the airwell.
For the sub-sales property market, we can divide the property segments into 4 categories. Category 1 needs rebuild. Category 2 requires A&A. Category 3, newer landed properties. Category 4, brand new landed properties.
This home belongs to the Category 2, where internal works such as plumbing, wiring, piping, roofing needs to be done. The average cost for Cat 1 and Cat 2 properties would be 250 to 350 ringgit per square foot due to the extensive works that need to be done.
For Cat 2, you are looking at enhancement and upgrades given the practical layout, which doesn't require much extensions and demolishing for the modern small family. This would be about 100 to 150 PSF. The renovation options here fall well under the Cat 2, where you need to do enhancement works, some minor extensions, and upgrade the things that matter most: piping, wiring, and roofing.
We should also add on general renovation costs such as painting, plaster ceiling, fixtures and lightings, and doors.
All in all, you're looking to spend approximately 350,000 excluding furnishings.
Of course, the price will vary based on the materials that you use or whether you use an ID or a contractor. But what I would like to point out is that based on several quotations and conversations that I've had with various contractors, we do think that a price point of 150 ringgit per square foot is possible to turn this house into your home just by working around its layout and structure. This home is asking for 1.7 million. If you're interested to find out more, give me a call or drop me a text. Don't forget to head to our website for more TTDI listings. I'm Yin Peng from Yin Homes, always happy to show you the place.